In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a user and assign access to your business assets. To add a new user, go to Meta Business Suite. Then click the settings icon in the lower left corner of the screen. Next, under the user section, there's people. Click invite people and enter the email address of the person you would like to add. Click next. So everyone added to the business portfolio automatically receives basic access, which allows them to access the assets and permissions assigned to them. If needed, you can also enable full control, which give the user complete access to manage business settings, assets, and permission. Once you're ready, click next and select the assets you want the user to access. Assign the necessary permissions for each asset. Then click next and click invite with one asset. The invitation has now been sent. The user will receive an email and can access the assigned assets once they accept the invitation.